Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add or how to delete the user code on TEEHO or Revolо Door Lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by activating the keypad on the TEEHO or the Revolo lock. After that, you need to add the master code first. Then you need to press the hash key in order to enter into the programming mode. Now the default master code on many of the models will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, although it's usually changed during the setup. Now in order to add a new pin, you need to first of all enter the master code. Afterwards, you just have to press the button combination for adding the users depending on your model. Then you need to enter the new user pin code, and then you need to press the hash again in order to save it. Now, in order to remove a user, you need to first of all enter into the programming mode again. Afterwards, you just have to simply select the user option, and then you need to enter the pin code that you want to remove. Then in order to confirm it, you just have to simply press the hash key, and some of the models may allow deleting all the user codes together through the factory reset settings. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.